This is the government facility to which 59-year-old activist Sonam Wangchuk was picked up and admitted to earlier this morning by the Delhi police. Now, Sonam Wangchuk is part of the Indian Gen Z protest movement, also called as the Cockroach Janata Party, which is protesting and demanding, among several other things, the resignation of India's education minister. Now, the Delhi police has said that Sonam Wangchuk was picked up because of Delhi High Court's orders and based on medical advice.
In the morning, as per directions of Honorable High Court, as well as the routine daily scheduled checkup, doctors arrived for medical examination of Shri Sonam Wangchuk. There was some obstruction caused by some of the protesters. This created some commotion also.
At this site, we know that Sonam Wangchuk's family and close associates are inside meeting him and meeting the doctors.
I was there with him till yesterday, and the tests at 4:15 showed everything was normal, including his ketones, potassium, everything, which we are monitoring very closely twice a day. But today morning when I came, they made a scare about his potassium that has dropped to 2.9, which is life-threatening, of course. And when I checked with our family doctors, who are very senior doctors, they said that medically it is not possible that there is such a drop. The whole atmosphere is not of a government that is caring enough to take care of somebody's health. It is almost like an arrest of sorts, because there is police, more than 50 police on every floor. He is not being allowed access to meet either with his lawyer or with his doctors who was monitoring him for the last 20 days. What have they so much to hide?
The site of the protest is about 9 to 10 kilometers from here, and that's where colleagues and associates of Sonam Wangchuk have now picked the mantle. Prominent, of course, among them is Abhijit Dipke. He has announced that he will carry on this mantle and continue with the indefinite hunger strike.
अगर उनको लग रहा है सोनम सर को जाकर ये आंदोलन खत्म होगा, नहीं होगा। आंदोलन खत्म नहीं होगा। आज तक हम धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा मांग रहे थे, नीट में जिन बच्चों की आत्महत्या हुई उनके जिम्मेदारी के लिए, लेकिन आज जो घिनौनी, आज जो नीच हरकत करी है सरकार ने, अब हम नरेंद्र मोदी का इस्तीफा मांगेंगे।
This is the Jantar Mantar protest site which the Delhi police wanted the protesters to vacate. We walked in from there to reach here, and as you can see on my right hand side, the crowd is building. The leaders are addressing the media, addressing the supporters. I'll request Antariksh to quickly show you the expanse of protests that are taking place, not just inside this tent, but also all the way there.
We have seen a lot of injustice over the past 10 years. And I think it is time that India awakes. Not only India, I feel that as individuals, as families, as a mother myself, I think if I don't stand up today, there will be no India as I knew it. The childhood that I have seen, there will be no such India tomorrow.
तो अगर तबीयत का ख्याल रखना था सरकार को, तो सरकार को यहाँ पे आना चाहिए था, उनसे बात करनी चाहिए थी, उनकी मांगे सुननी चाहिए थी। ऐसे नहीं कि उनको जबरदस्ती उठा के ले जाया जाए, घसीट के ले जाया जाए।
सोनम सर को उठाने के रिस्पॉन्स में हम में से जो लोग शायद नहीं कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर पाते 20-21 तक, हम लोग अब बिल्कुल बैठेंगे। यहाँ से हम एक इंच नहीं हटेंगे। आप चाहे बुला लीजिए पुलिस फोर्स, आप बुला लीजिए।
Now the fight, the larger movement will be to seek Prime Minister Narendra Modi's resignation. The people of this country have to wake up. They have to take the future in their hands because it is now or never.
What's your message to the government?
That to behave like statesmen, okay, and not like petty politicians, to understand the message that the youth are giving, that the education system is broken and it is a reflection of the entire system and the machinery which is corrupt. Okay, and which is not based on meritocracy and on what is ethics and right.
See, the Delhi police wants to vacate us. They may, do so, but we are staying put. We are holding a peaceful protest here. It's been a very long time. And I think this will continue because the call for peaceful protest has been already given, and we are going to continue that. And we have already declared that Sonam ji will also be coming back, as he has sent the message. He'll be coming back once he is released from the hospital.